So, usapang real estate naman tayo. So, this is Beyond Home Southville 2, located in Barangay Osorio, Trece Martires, Cavite. Guys, kung ano yung nakikita nyo ngayon sa video, this is the actual turnover of the house. This is the same thing that the home buyer will receive once they move into this house. Now, this house is perfect for those small families of 5 or 6 and mga nagsisimulang magpamilya pa lang or di kaya mga first-time home buyers. This 2-story house no, ay may floor area na 53.20 square meters. For lot area, ang mga inner units natin is 43 square meters. Sa mga end or corner units naman, depende kung gaano kalaki yung sobrang lote. And guys, the bigger the lot area, the higher the price din. Maganda ito sa mga ayaw problema kapag nag-transfer na sila kasi almost finished na lahat itong bahay na to. Parang titirhan nyo na lang. As you can see guys, naka-tiles na siya, painted na yung interior and exterior part of the house. May living area, dining area, meron din tayong kitchen area. Meron na rin kitchen counter, no, and sink. Halos wala na kayong papagawa. And even yung ating service area guys, as you can see here in the video, talagang may wall na, may privacy na kayo from the kapitbahay kasi naka-wall na siya. So, hindi nyo na kailangan papagawa yan kapag wala pa kayong budget upon move in. Now, meron siyang 1 toilet and bath which is in the ground floor. And guys, if you can see here in the video, naka-tiles na rin, painted na, complete with bathroom fixtures. Now, the first 3 steps sa stairs natin is concrete, no? And naka-tiles na rin. And then the rest is may wood panel, tapos concrete yung ilalim. Tapos yung handrails niya ay bakal, tapos painted na rin. Kaya yung mga team puti dyan o team kahoy, para sa inyo ito. Nasa second floor naman guys, ang maganda kasi wala pa siyang room partitions. So, you have a freedom kung paano yung siya hatiin yung second floor. If you want it in 2 bedrooms or if you want it in 3 bedrooms. Guys, maganda din itong second floor kasi no, meron siyang sliding door that has an access to a balcony. Ang sarap namang bahay na pag may balcony kasi pwede kang mag-unwind after a hard day's work. By the way, since that this is an inner unit, ang ating opening lang is nasa harap at nasa likod lang. If it is an end or corner unit, yun ang maganda kasi meron tayo sa harap, sa gilid at saka sa likod ng mga bintada na pwede nyo i-maximize for better ventilation na din. Ang kagandahan pa dito guys, kasi itong community na to or subdivision na to is only 208 units lang ang ibibenta. So napaka low density ng community na to, hindi masyadong crowded. Kaya ma-enjoy talaga ng mga homeowners yung amenities na meron sa subdivision na to. Now in terms of accessibility naman, 24 hours transportation naman dito. Meron tayong one ride from PTEX via buses. Yung biyahe ng mga bus is going to Trece Martires. And then, once you reach the Governor's Drive, dun sa may pinakakanto, isang tricycle na lang papunta sa subdivision. In terms of essentials naman, meron tayong mga groceries, malls, no, like SM Trece, SM Dasma, malalapit na lang yan dito guys. And also government offices, house of worships, schools, hospitals, clinics, pharmacies. Yes, marami tayo dyan dito sa Trece Martires. Now, for the housing loan, you can avail this through Pag-ibig Financing or bank financing. As of this month, no, September 20, 2024, ang price natin nagsa-start at 2.2 million for the inner unit and for the end or corner unit, it will depend po sa laki ng lote na masasakop ng end or corner unit. Now, reservation is only 20,000 pesos. Tapos, ang equity terms niya, maximum of up to 18 months. Now, mas maikli kapag ready for occupancy ang i-avail ninyo. Guys, yung mga reservation documents or requirements na nakikita niyo sa screen niyo, those are just the basic ones. Now, for more details, information, and sample computations or schedule of site visit, let me know in the comment section or you can inbox me or you can also visit my Blue App account at Family Pinoy Homes. Yun po yung pangalan ng page, no, para makapag-usap tayo at makapag-send ako sa inyo ng dito kasi medyo limited yung pwede mo isend. So, yun lang guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!